Hello students, hope you all are fine and keeping up with your studies well. Today we are going to learn the seventh chapter of our this year's PT syllabus, that is healthy food. So let's start with this chapter. If you remember, in the last chapter we discussed about the processed food and pre-cooked food items sold in the market. What we discussed also applies to the drinks being sold in the market. Nowadays, we see hotels, hawkers, push carts, or restaurants mushrooming everywhere. The number of people showing preference for tea and coffee goes on increasing. Tea and coffee are being accepted as common beverages nowadays. Tea is unfailingly offered when guest drops in, or somebody known to us meets us in the marketplace. In fact, these hot beverages are a kind of addiction. A person gradually becomes slave of this addiction. These drinks are available in market are more harmful than when they are served at home. The unclean, stale and polluted water, stale milk, substandard sugar, the tea powder or the granules which are offered you are used several times over. The frequency process of boiling the tea whenever it becomes water used for washing the cup and saucers in which the tea is served are all harmful to the health. Especially the caffeine and the tannin contained in tea and sugar are very harmful to the body and also to the mind. So, today we find that the use of soft drinks is on the increase. Looking to the advertisements that appear on the TV, it is apparent that various kinds of soft drinks are being manufactured. One may feel the temptation to taste one of the drinks once in a while. However, the artificial color, chemicals, and essences used while manufacturing these drinks are harmful to the health. Such drinks kill one's appetite. They provide momentary and artificial excitement but invite numerous diseases. Besides, these drinks are very expensive. They do not contain any nutrients. They let us protect ourselves from these let us protect ourselves from these artificially prepared attractive soft drinks. Let us bear in our mind forever that the drinks sold in market are not good for health. If we want to keep healthy, we must not consume these drinks. Like nutritious foods, nutritious drinks are also important for the body. Though we should keep away from the soft drinks sold in the market, we may use with discretion the healthy drinks. So let us discuss about some of these drinks. First, we'll discuss about the lemon syrup or lemon sherbet. Surely you might have drunk lemon sherbet sometime or the other. Take a clean and cold water in clean dust-free vessel. Add sugar to make it sweet. Take a large juicy lemon and squeeze it in the water. Keep adding the juice till this syrup becomes a sweet sour mix. To this syrup, add ginger juice, salt or rock salt may also be added. Though this syrup can be used round the year, it is more beneficial in summer and monsoon. It should specifically be taken in the case of flatulence, indigestion, and loss of appetite. If a person is suffering from diarrhea, vomiting, or cholera, this syrup, prepared in well boiled water, can be very helpful. The next is fennel seed syrup or variali syrup. Grind some cleaned and good quality fennel seeds into powder. Put the powder on a clean cloth and tie the cloth in such a way that it gives the look of a tiny bag. Dissolve sugar in clean water as per the requirement. Put the bag containing the fennel seed powder into the water and stir the water with it. When the water turns green and acquires the fragrance of fennel seeds, the syrup is ready to consume. To make the syrup more delicious, and better for health, add lemon juice, ginger juice, tulsi juice, amla juice, and rose water in the appropriate quantities. The fennel seed syrup is harmless and it can be consumed judiciously by anybody in any season. It is more helpful in summer. This syrup quenches the thirst, reduces fatigue, and increases appetite. The next is rose syrup. Genuine roses with rosy petals should be used for preparing this syrup. Separate the petals, clean them, and soak them in the cold water for 2 to 3 hours. Crush them in the same water. Add sugar and filter the liquid. This is a simple rose syrup. The syrup has an excellent fragrance. It is a very pleasant drink. It is cold by nature and especially beneficial in the season of May and June and also September to October. It prevents the diseases caused by heat and also cures them. It is very helpful to the patients suffering from constipation. Many such syrups can be prepared. One should consume only such drinks as can be prepared at home and are good for health and keep away from the harmful market drinks. After learning about the helpful drinks, let us now get some information about the fruits which are always considered beneficial to health. We have already learned about several such fruits in the previous standards, so let us now learn about some more fruits. The first one to be discussed is watermelon. We all know that watermelon is a summer fruit. From outside it looks green, but the pulp inside the fruit is dark red or crimson. It grows on creepers on sandy soil. Watermelon tastes sweet and delicious. It is cold by nature. It quenches the thirst and it proves beneficial in the liver problems and when one feels weak. It provides instant relief in the headache caused by heat. It is useful in functioning of the urinary system. The second one is muskmelon. This fruit is sweet as sugar and like watermelon grows on the creepers which grow in sandy soil, particularly in the dry riverbeds. The creeper bears fruits in summer. The fruit has green or white vertical stripes on its skin. Muskmelon relieves constipation and gives strength and coolness. It acts as diuretics. The next one is papaya. The papaya fruit grows on the tree. Normally, the fruit has an oval shape. Raw papayas are green in color, but when they become ripe, they turn into saffron yellow. Raw papaya produces milky white juice, which is often used for preparing digestive medicines. Raw papaya are used as a vegetable, and people also make sambar from it. A ripe papaya is sweet in taste. It provokes appetite. Also helps in passing stool and urine. It is useful in problems related to liver and spleen. It helps in removing the worms from the intestines. The next is orange. Most of the areas in our country produce oranges. The orange fruits are round and ball shaped and saffron red in color when ripe. Orange juice is sour sweet in taste. It quenches thirst and removes burning sensation in the stomach and also improves one's appetite. Orange juice is best as a soft drink. It purifies the blood, increases appetite, improves digestion, removes worms, and cleans the intestines. Oranges are easily digested and are quickly absorbed in the body. This is the reason why orange juice is offered to the tired, the sick, or to those who need energy after fast. Oil can be extracted from the skin of orange fruit. The oil is used as cosmetic product and also in the medicine. The next is rose apple or jamun. Rose apples grow on trees at the end of summer and in the beginning of monsoon. As they become ripe, they turn dark purple in color. These fruits are oval in shape. There are some round varieties too. Rose apples are good appetizer. They purify the blood and are quite useful in liver disorders as well as in anemia. The seeds of rose apples are also used as medicine. They are very useful in treating diabetes. The next one is custard apple or sitafal. In India, the trees of custard apple grow everywhere. Its fruit are ready after Diwali. The fruit contains many black seeds. Each seed is covered by a white, sweet cream pulp. The custard apple is a nutritious fruit which gives energy, satisfies thirst and hunger. It increases the blood in the body. The last one is coconut. Coconut is also known as trefoil. It is especially used during religious rituals and as an offering to the god. The green coconut contains sweet water which is useful for the health. It is easy to digest and increases appetite and quenches the thirst. It facilitates the passing of urine. When coconut is broken, we find the white kernel inside. This kernel provides energy when consumed after prolonged chewing. It increases weight. The dried kernel helps in muscle building and relieves burning sensation. The grating of the kernel is used in the preparation of many recipes, and the oil extracted from the kernel is known as coconut oil. It is used as cooking oil as well as hair oil. The hair oil lengthens the hair, makes it shining and smooth. This oil is also used for manufacturing soap. As a medicine, coconut oil heals the wounds and relieves burning sensation. Excessive consumption of kernel may lead to the cough. The seasonal fruits which grow and ripen naturally should be used with discretion. Normally, no fruit should be consumed with milk. Sour fruits and milk are opposite in nature. Taking them together may cause more harm than good. The combination of coconut kernel and milk as a diet is also not advisable. So here we can come to the end of this chapter. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.